by the time I'm on project 4, I forget about project 1. So I've solved this by putting all of the clods in front of my face all day long. And if your screen looks like this right now, let's start where you are. So you can see you probably have a blank terminal here. Now, if you know how to code, you know what to do next, right? You want to get your Claude code set up. So for me, I already have Claude code set up, so I just type in C, which would maybe for you would be Claude or Claude dangerously mode, or it could be Codex. So you can see here in the top left, it's highlighted, the one that I'm actually working on. So whatever you want to use there, if you already know how to code. If you already have Claude code installed, okay, you don't need to do anything else except run Claude. And now you have Claude here in this directory forever. Perfect. If you don't have Claude set up yet, or you don't have Codex set up, let's go over here to install Claude code, and it will give you an install in order to a command here to run, so you can install it and just install Claude code like that. Now, if you're using Codex, install Codex. Remember, these are just terminals, and you can have up to 8 terminals here. So you can follow the instructions on installing Codex if you'd rather use that. I'm a Claude code guy for now, at least. I just use the best AI. So you can see here. Now, remember, you have your projects tabs here on the left side. Now I can open it back up, or I can hit Command B to close it. You can see I have scripts down here. These are the projects. Another thing that was always so hard for me is, let's say, for example, I have all of these closed. It was keeping my projects in the directories. So what you can do is you can say add directory, and you can select any folder, just like you would in GitHub. You want to select a folder. Here's an example of how on GitHub desktop, at least, I have the Moondev code app here. I could go ahead and say copy repo path here, and that would give me a repo. You can see the repo looks like that. I just put it in the terminal, but you just go ahead and say either select that folder from wherever you want to select it from. It will pull up a browser here, and you can select it from your computer. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same ads. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion with, I believe, Code's the great equalizer, though. And these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. Moondev.com/Discord. Message anyone, ask them yourself, and maybe make a friend.